Welcome to the Ampere with me Google Pixel 7 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere application from here. That's why here in the search field we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and installing on your device. After that we should click here to open, tap to allow, click yes I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery health, and that is the good one. So also we can see here more information like the battery level, capacity, temperature, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.